Hi everyone, welcome back. So I had promised you a couple more reviews this week from Modelones, and this is going to be my second review. They sent me a dip powder kit, and it's a travel kit. So I'm going to open up the kit. I actually haven't even looked at it yet to see what's in it, and I'm going to swatch the dip powders for you and tell you how to use it. So here we go. So there is the kit. I like the fact that you can see into it. So this kit would be absolutely perfect if you're on a holiday and you want to do your nails or even your toes. You don't need a light for these. And yeah, you can have some really pretty colors. If you need an emergency fix or just want to redo your toes or your fingers, this is a perfect kit. So I'll just open it up now. They just always package everything so cute. So you get a nice little brush for, like, once you put on the powder, you have to dust it away. So perfect little brush for that. Very soft, very cute. And these are the powders. So I'll show you each one and tell you this. So this powder is a pretty yellow and it's 0022. And this dip powder is 0025 and it's a pretty lilac purple. And here's a really pretty baby blue, and the number on this one is 0023. And here's a nice orange. This would be really good for Halloween. So this one is 0024. And then this is just a softer peachy color. And this one is 0026. And here's a really pretty pink. And that's 0021. Okay, so also in the package will be the instructions, I believe. Yes, here they are. So this is really nice because they tell you exactly how to use this. The base is a fast dry, so please prepare the powder before application. Quickly dip in the powder after finish applying base. So you want to do that quickly. Once you apply the base, go dip it fast. And I'm going to, like I said, swatch these, so I'll show you. Brush technique, always brush parallel to the nail to ensure the bristle doesn't poke or indent the powder. I would personally dip it. That's my preference. I've used dip powders before. Okay, and that's where they're telling you the dip technique. Dip at a 45-degree angle and pull straight back out. Do not push the nail against the powder because you're just going to cause like funny indents and rivets in your nails if you do. And tap technique, tap off excess powder with your finger, painting straight down. That ensures that the powder does not fall back onto the nail. Yes, and you do want to get rid of the excess. And then gel top, apply the gel top in quick thin strokes and let your gel top dry before applying the next gel top. So right, this isn't a gel polish, it's just a quick drying top coat. So you want to apply it and let it dry before you apply it again. To extend product life, ensure that all essentials are cleaned up and all gel caps are tight and well. Store them in a cool environment, always from heat and direct sunlight. Without proper care, base and top most become difficult to open, right? Because they're really sticky dip powder base and top coats. Brushes are applied to different color powder or turn hard. Use the replacement brushes, which are in the package. Oh, that's really nice. We haven't got to that yet. There's some replacement brushes. So they're thinking ahead and they're giving you some extra brushes. A lot of kits don't do that, so that's a good thing to have. If brushes are applied to different color powders or turn into a hard, use the brush saver to soak the brushes. So yeah, you want to make sure your brushes don't get hard. So here they're showing you exactly application steps. So you're prepping the nail, you're removing the cuticle and removing the shine off the nail. And then you can attach an artificial nail if you want to have a longer nail. You can do that. If you are doing it on a client, you could also do it just on their natural nails without an extension. So then you're going to brush on the base. And then you're gonna dip quickly, like they say, at a 45-degree angle. And it says air dry for 30 seconds. And then you apply a coat of base to the entire nail again, and then you re-dip. And then you apply a coat of base to the entire nail again, and you re-dip. And then the last thing is applying the activator. And you want to cover the whole nail and do that well, because that hardens the dip powder. And then you can file, and then once it's all dried, you can top coat it. And then again, it says like to let that top coat dry good if you're going to apply a second top coat, and your nails are finished. So really thorough instructions, really nice. Get back to the package. So there's those 2 brushes they were talking about, the extra ones if you wreck the other ones, because sometimes that happens with dip powders because they are sticky. And the last things in the kit. So I will pull out number 1 first, is the dip powder base. And it's very clear, number 1 on it, and saying that it is. And these are 10 mils, 0.34 fluid ounces. That's number 1. And number 2 is the activator, and that hardens the dip powder. And it, of course, again says 2, and it does say activator, so very clear. And then the last one is it's the top coat, and of course again number 3, so it's very clear that that's the third one you would be using. So I'm just going to swatch all of these dip powders and show you how pretty they really are. So before I get started swatching, I just want to let you guys know I have a 10% off code. You can see it up on the screen. So make sure you use that code to get 10% off. They have so many great products. They have gel polishes, they have dip powders, they have polygels. They have many kits. The possibilities are endless what you can purchase. So use that code for any of those products. So now I will start swatching these dip powders. So as you can see, each container has a seal on it, and that is good because dip powders tend to make a mess if they're not sealed properly, mostly when they're traveling in the mail. So I just removed it with a tweezer. Now I'm going to grab the number 1, the base, and I'm going to apply it to one of the tips. And then, like it says, you want to quickly apply it in the dip powder at a 45-degree angle. So I will do that. So now that it's coming out, I want to tap off any extra powder that's just laying on there. And you want to wait 30 seconds for it to dry a little bit, and then you remove any extra powder. Again, I'm going to apply the base coat, and once I do, it has to quickly go in the powder again at a 45-degree angle. Again, I'll tap off any extra powder, and then I let it sit for that 30 seconds, and then I would take a brush and remove any extra again that might be on there. And I will apply the base one more time and do the same process over again. You can do 2 coats of the base and the dip powder, sometimes 3, sometimes 4. It just depends how deep you want the color to be. So this one I'm going to do 3, and most of them I did 3 on. When I was happy with all the coats that I applied, I grabbed number 2, the activator, and you want to wait 30 seconds, if not a little longer, in order for that base to dry good. And the activator is going to harden and set that dip powder, so you want to make sure you get a nice amount of activator all over it. And then you just let it sit, and I'm going to let all of these sit till the end, and then I'll top coat them. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me do the rest until we get to the top coat. And and I will apply the top coat at the very end once these all dry with their activators, but I just want you guys to see the colors now. Now that all the colors are hardened from the activator, so the dip powder is really nice and set, I'm going to show you that you can file the dip powders and how set they really are. I will also buff it, then I'll remove the dust with some isopropyl alcohol, and then I'll show you the top coat. So now I'll be applying number 3, the top coat, and it isn't a gel polish, so it dries on its own, and you can do 2 coats if you like. So I want to thank Modelones once again for sending me this dip powder travel kit to share with you. I really think it's a great kit. Guys should look at it if you want a nice kit for traveling, just so you can fix your nails. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.